Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. So guys, if you've not subscribed, kindly, let's do that in 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Thank you for that subscription. So guys, in a previous video, we had learned how to stand in our Shizentai. We also learned our Hikite. So I want us to punch, right? Now, we're going to punch in the up level, the upper part of our body, this section. We call it the JODAN. So Zuki is a punch. So once I say JODAN ZUKI, we are punching on the upper level. Now, from our Hikite position, I want you to slowly extend your right arm. So it's like you measure with your forehead. Yeah? So from there, so this is my forehead, as you can see. Yes? So from this side, this is my forehead. If I measure, it's almost the same. I want it to get there. So from there, 1. So retract this arm and then punch with the left. So from there, I want you to, you see how my hand is? It's still facing me. Then I retract my right. As it comes, I twist. Yeah? So let's go back. So you see, 1, 2, 3. So from my side, this is where you can see the twist nicely. So from there, I'm in Hikite. I extend my right arm. Then as I continue punching, then you see, this comes there. Then I twist. Don't forget to measure with your forehead. From there, 1, 2, 3. Again, once I'm there, Hikite, 1, 2, and 3. See, it's that simple. So just remember to retract your arm and twist your arm. The reason as to why we are twisting, we want this impact to be felt as we strike. Yes, that's why we are twisting this arm. So I hope you learned something. It was short, I know, but very helpful because I want you to continue playing this video until you get the JODAN ZUKI. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Come back, let's learn together and let's do this together. Domo arigato.